Let's cook it. Wow, that cheese is really melting.
The Fizzy Toy Show!
Fizzy loves food, Fizzy loves food, and we're gonna cook up some food. Yum, 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 yum. Well, hello, everybody. Welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show. Check it out. Oh, yeah, we have the Just Like Home microwave oven. Ooh la la. Miss Hands, I cannot wait a moment longer. Let's get some food cooking. Woo! Hi everyone, welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show and welcome to this Just Like Home microwave show. That's right, we found this microwave at Toys R Us and it comes with some really cute little food items and it looks like an awesome microwave. From what I can tell, it looks like it lights up and it makes some awesome sounds. Let's give it a try. Whoa, that is awesome! Wow, Just Like Home has a lot of really cool toys. Alright, let's get this microwave out and start cooking some food. So here is our microwave. It looks super duper cute. And look, it has all these different buttons for cooking different things like chicken, popcorn, pizza, baked potato, hot chocolate, and this looks like it thaws meat. How about we cook this little chicken? Looks good. Time to pop it in the microwave. Open up the door. Put it on the chicken setting and go. And it's done. I wonder if there's anyone around here who likes chicken. Oh, hey, Grumpy Cat. Would you like some chicken?
Miss Hands, Fizzy would really like a hot dog.
Oh, Fizzy, you're in luck. Woohoo! This set also comes with a hot dog. Don't eat me! Oh, not that hot dog. This hot dog. So let's put it in the microwave for Fizzy. We'll cook it, and while we cook it, why don't we make some ketchup and mustard out of Play-Doh? We have our Play-Doh. Now let's get the hot dog cooking. And we'll make our mustard. All right, here's our hot dog, nicely cooked. We have some mustard for it, but we need some ketchup. Here's our ketchup. Does this look good, Fizzy?
Looks good enough to eat. Ooh, can you set it on the plate for me so I can eat it later?
Yes, I can, Fizzy. Yay! This set also comes with a croissant. Yum, yum. I'll cook that for Miss Hands. And let's put our cheeseburger together. Looks good. We'll add tomatoes and lettuce when it's done cooking. All right, let's put our cheeseburger in and get it cooking. I wonder if the cheese will melt. Let's cook it. Wow, that cheese is really melting. Look at the cheese. It really melted in the microwave. Now we can add our pickles and tomatoes. Wow, that is one delicious looking cheeseburger. I think I want to make a grilled cheese. Whoa, look at that cheese. It really is melting. Wow, check it out. That looks delicious. Let's put a piece of pie in there, and I think some hot chocolate would go well with this pie. Let's heat up the pie and then start making some hot chocolate. Our pie is ready, and look, we have 2 little Shopkins. Here's some marshmallows. I like a lot of marshmallows in my hot chocolate.
Our mugs are full of hot chocolate and marshmallows. Let's put them in the microwave and see what happens to the marshmallows. There's even a hot chocolate setting to put it on. Whoa, it looks like the marshmallows melted. They're even dripping down the cup. Ooh, that looks delicious.
Time's up.
Whoa, look at that hot chocolate and the marshmallows are dripping down the side. Yummy. Time for our second cup. The marshmallows melted. Awesome. The only thing that can make this better is if this microwave magically made Shopkins appear. Whoa, that's awesome. The Shopkins hot chocolate turned into Shopkins blind baskets. Let's get them out. Come on, hurry up and cook. Hurry up and cook. Yes, our Shopkins baskets are all cooked and ready to be opened. Oh my goodness, we got season 3 and 1. Oh yeah, microwave, you are awesome. All right, in our first blind basket, we got on this snugug. And who else did we get? Whoa! It is patty cake. Looking super duper cute and delicious. Yummy. Time for season 1. 1, 2. Up first we have Miss Twist. Oh, this is an awesome one. Look at her. Delicious little candy. Yum, yum, yum. And who else did we get? Our second one is, ooh, it's fairy crumbs. Look how delicious and cute this one is. Ooh, we could cook this one in the microwave. No! Oh, so adorable. Hey Fizzy, what's your favorite food out of everything we made?
Oh, mine would be the cheeseburger. How about you, Miss Hands?
Mine would be the hot chocolate. Guys, let me know down in the comments down below.
Down there?
Yep, down there. What food is your favorite that we cooked today?
Oh, good idea. And guys, if you like playing with pretend food and microwaves and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up in the air like you just don't care. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so I can show you more Play-Doh food and microwaves and Shopkins. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.